This will make your clothes bright white and fresh like spring. No chemicals, cheap and easy. We welcome all those who hate doing the laundry. It is boring, exhausting, and some stains just will not go away. Plus, it is pretty hard to find a nice detergent that does not cause a fortune. Well, things are about to change here, and only one ingredient can solve all your problems. You will save your nerves, money and effort for something else. Just add a little white vinegar to your washing machine drum. We give you 10 reasons to use white vinegar when doing the laundry. 1. Pour half a cup of white vinegar on your clothes before you put them in the machine. White vinegar increases the power of your laundry detergent, protects the color of your clothes, and reduces any soapy residue after the washing. 2. You can also use some vinegar instead of your fabric softener. Pour it in the designated compartment of your washing machine. White vinegar provides the same effect. The only difference is that it is softer, and does not harm the environment. 3. Acid in white vinegar removes deodorant stains and sweat from your white clothes. 4. Powder detergents leave residues on the clothes after the washing, and your sensitive skin will not like this. Add half a cup of white vinegar to your laundry to prevent this. 5. Believe it or not, white vinegar neutralizes unpleasant smells. You do not want your laundry to smell on cigarette smoke, right? 6. Soak your dirty clothes in vinegar solution. Combine hot water and half a cup of vinegar. Let your clothes soak overnight, and wash them as usual. Here is an extra tip. Spray stubborn stains with undiluted vinegar essence, and rub carefully. 7. It is impossible to remove fuzz and animal hairs from some fabrics. Well, vinegar will do this for you. You will notice how your dry clothes are clean and have no hairs stuck on them. 8. The acid in white vinegar will also take care of the static charge. 9. Add 6 tablespoons of white vinegar to your hand wash, and let it soak for half an hour. The same method can be used when washing underwear and swimwear. 10. Use the mighty vinegar to clean and descale your machine. Plus, you can do this without using harsh chemicals. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.